Here it is, folks. This is the new Nissan Patrol. What do you reckon? So 3.5 litre twin turbocharged petrol V6, over 300 kilowatts of power, 700 Newton meters of torque. New design there, so you can see the 3 at the front there within those LED lights. We've also got a camera at the front there with 170 degree view angle for seeing out the front of the vehicle if required. So 100 litre fuel tank, you have rear diff lock, 4-wheel drive high range, 4-wheel drive low range, LED lighting at the front and rear, and also customizable interior LED lighting. So what the rear looks like, so you've got the LED panel along the top there and down the sides as well, with individual Patrol lettering, 7-seat capability, and then a quick look inside here. You can actually drop that third row using the buttons off to the side here, or using a remote control inside the car. You've got air suspension now as well, so it will increase ride height by 70 mil, and it'll also lower the vehicle when you come to a stop as well. Inside the cabin, you've got the option of two 12.3-inch displays for your rear seat passengers, and then you've also got a lot of nice sort of leather along the doors there with some wood grain as well. Two 14.3-inch displays as well along the top there. Have a look at that. So that makes one 28-inch display. Absolutely huge. So there's the engine as well. Let me know if you have any questions about the new Nissan Patrol. Looks absolutely unreal in person here.